Sliding patio doors in Salt Lake City are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. These doors offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas, providing easy access to patios and gardens. Sliding patio doors Salt Lake City are available in various materials, including vinyl and aluminum, ensuring durability and style. French patio doors Salt Lake City add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. These doors are perfect for those who appreciate traditional patio doors with a classic design. French patio doors in Salt Lake City come in a range of styles and sizes, allowing homeowners to customize their look to match their home's aesthetic. Patio door installation in Salt Lake City is a service provided by experienced patio door experts. Whether you're looking for custom patio doors or need a patio door replacement, Salt Lake City patio door installation professionals can help. They offer patio door consultation and patio door estimates to ensure you get the best patio doors in Salt Lake City. Energy-efficient patio doors Salt Lake City are essential for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to keep your home insulated, preventing heat loss during the winter and keeping it cool in the summer. Energy-efficient patio doors in Salt Lake City are available in double-pane options for maximum efficiency. Custom patio doors Salt Lake City allow homeowners to create a unique look for their homes. With a variety of patio door styles and patio door sizes available, you can design a door that fits your specific needs. Custom patio doors in Salt Lake City can be tailored to match your home's architecture and personal style. Patio door replacement Salt Lake City is crucial for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Whether you need patio door hardware replacement or patio door screens replaced, Salt Lake City patio door replacement services can help. Regular patio door maintenance ensures your doors remain in top condition. Vinyl patio doors Salt Lake City are a popular choice for their affordability and low maintenance. These doors are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation. Vinyl patio doors in Salt Lake City are available in various colors and finishes, making them a versatile option for any home. Aluminum patio doors Salt Lake City offer a sleek, modern look for contemporary homes. These doors are lightweight yet durable, providing a long-lasting solution for your patio door needs. Aluminum patio doors in Salt Lake City are perfect for those seeking modern patio doors with a minimalist design. Glass patio doors Salt Lake City provide an unobstructed view of the outdoors, allowing natural light to flood your home. These doors are ideal for homeowners who want to create a bright and airy living space. Glass patio doors in Salt Lake City are available in various styles, including sliding and French options. Affordable patio doors Salt Lake City are available for homeowners on a budget. With a range of patio door brands and styles to choose from, you can find a door that fits your financial needs without compromising on quality. Affordable patio doors in Salt Lake City offer great value for money.